Hello everyone, this printer is Epson XP XP-2200. I want to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. If you lift up this access door, press and hold the stop button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then release the button. The ink cartridge holder will move and position itself. Just need to wait. Now you should be able to remove each ink cartridge. So this is how to remove the ink cartridges. We're going to put it back. This is cyan, magenta, yellow, the last but not the least, black. The light will go off. If you remove any ink, warning light will highlight. Once you put the ink correctly, the light will go off. Then pull this up and close the cover. The next thing to do is you need to press and hold this. Press this once and give the printer time to warm up and recognize the ink. The warning light has now stopped. So this is how to replace the ink. Thank you very much indeed.